everyone. Today, let's explore how Plato would explain the statement, "There is a red chair," using his famous theory of forms. Plato's theory of forms suggests that everything in the material world is a reflection or imitation of a perfect, unchanging idea or form that exists in a higher, non-physical realm. These forms are the ultimate reality, while the objects we see around us are mere shadows or copies. Now, let's break it down. When we say, "There is a red chair," Plato would encourage us to think beyond the physical chair in front of us. According to him, the chair we see is imperfect and temporary. It might break, fade, or even cease to exist one day. Yet, despite these imperfections, we recognize it as a chair. Why? Because it participates in the form of chairness. The form of chairness is the perfect, eternal concept of what it means to be a chair. This form exists in the world of ideas, which Plato calls the realm of forms. Every chair we encounter in the physical world, whether it's made of wood, metal, or plastic, shares in this perfect form. These chairs are all imperfect attempts to embody the true, ideal chair that exists only in this higher reality. Now, let's consider the red part of the statement. Plato would argue that redness, too, has its own perfect form, the form of redness. The color we see on the chair is just a reflection of this universal form of redness, which also exists in the realm of forms. The chair appears red because it participates in both the form of chairness and the form of redness. In summary, Plato would say that when you observe a red chair, you are not truly experiencing the ultimate reality. What you see is an imperfect copy that participates in the ideal forms of chairness and redness. The true red chair, in its perfect form, exists only in the eternal, unchanging realm of forms. So, for Plato, the physical red chair in front of you is just a shadow of deeper, timeless truths. And that, my friends, is how Plato would interpret this simple statement through his theory of forms.